During this lesson you will be required to fill out a worksheet. I recommend you read through the worksheet before viewing the lesson. In order to give you time to do this, you can use the pause button at the bottom of the screen. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson you should be able to state what the function of a retaining wall is, list the two main types of retaining walls and what they are called, list the three things that will help prevent a retaining wall from failing, draw a sketch of two methods used for building retaining walls, and draw a sketch to show one way of relieving water pressure from behind the retaining wall. Retaining walls. Retaining walls are walls built to retain masses of water or earth. Walls which retain water are usually referred to as dams, and walls which hold back earth are called revetment walls. These can be constructed of brick, stone or reinforced concrete, depending upon the weight of material which has to be retained. They must resist the tendency to slide and overturn when pressure is applied from behind them. Therefore, the wall must have sufficient weight, sufficient width of foundation to give adequate friction between the ground and the foundation, and be wide enough to resist shearing at any level. Since the pressure behind the wall decreases as it gets near the top, the wall does not have to be as thick. This is usually done in half brick offsets, but in some cases the face of the wall can be battered or built at a slope. Here we can see sections through different types of retaining walls. Different types of retaining walls are built with different purposes. So you can read through the descriptions there yourself. If there is water pressure behind the retaining wall, the pressure can be relieved by putting large granular material and a line of porous pipes immediately behind it and building pipes through the wall to allow the water to escape. Where walls with battered faces are to be built, the wall is erected with the correct batter with the aid of a battering plumb rule. Alternatively, certain types of spirit levels which have adjustable vertical spirit tubes can be used. Conclusion. Retaining walls are built to retain masses of water or earth. Dams retain water, revetment walls hold back earth. To prevent a retaining wall from failing, it should have sufficient weight, sufficient width of foundation, and be wide enough to resist shearing at any level. Retaining walls can be rectangular in shape or have battered faces or stepped faces. Water pressure can be relieved from behind retaining walls by putting large granular material and a line of porous pipe behind it and building pipes through the wall to allow the water to escape.